Oh, wow. Good boy, Cashew. Oh, Cashew's tired being singing. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, Cashew, you want to sleep now? After your breakfast, you have to sleep, okay? Okay, so Cashew is having his breakfast. Ooh, he's eating a raw macaroni. Mm-hmm. Good boy, Cashew. Mm-hmm. He's a precious cockatoo. Yeah, Cashew? I catch cockatoo outside the terrace because he's outside being in the heat for 6 months. Okay, so I tried to catch him and yeah, he's inside my house now. And he owned the house. Yeah? Tell them, Casio, you broke 2 TV. So Casio, he broke 2 TV. Okay, he chewed my iPad. He chewed my cell phone. So Casio is a spoiled brat. Yeah, Casio? Mm. Casio is not a friendly one. I can't even touch him. Yeah. It's difficult to train Casio because he's always scared. I think he's being, what's that? Tortured by the other owner. So Casio is just flying around the house, pooping around the house. I'm just a slave. Yes, Casio? Look at his eyes. He's so pretty. Yeah, he's so pretty. Casio's pretty. Hmm. Oh no. Okay, finish your breakfast and then have a rest, okay? Cashew? Good job. Oops. Okay. One more? One more? Oh, wow. He wants one more. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching Cashew. And he will have a live again later on. Okay, Cashew, I'll put him to sleep. And then later on, after 3 hours, he's going live again. And thank you, and please subscribe Cashew's, what's this? YouTube channel. Thank you, everyone, and see you later. Cashew needs to eat and sleep. After 3 hours, he's making his live again. Okay? Okay. Okay, he's gone there. I know he's gone there. There you go. So that's his place to sleep. Say bye-bye, everyone. See you later after 3 hours. Cashew, after he eats breakfast, he's gonna have a nap. Okay, Cashew? Thank you, everyone. See